Hello, hi. Welcome to the TravCount, travel agent's accounting software. This is a detailed demonstration for the accounting software. Firstly, you need to go to the admin, click onto the settings, and give your basic information such as profile settings, logo settings, bank details. When you click on the profile settings, you need to give your branch name, email ID, mobile number, location, address, and the zip code, and click on this Save Changes. Then we have logo settings. You can select it in which format you need. Here we have print themes, that's specially for invoice and receipt. You have the modern style and the classic style. Next we have the bank details. You can give your bank details, complete bank details here, and enter the QR code here and click on the Save Changes. Next we have the preferences. Here you need to enter the time zone, the place that you are using the software from, the financial year, the prefix for invoice. We have given here IV. You can give it as per your convenience. The starting number, receipt prefix, the payment, and the refund. As per your convenience, you can give the prefixes for receipt, payment, refund, and the invoice. The same way the starting number that you want from. Then comes the decimal point. As per your requirement, you can give the decimal point here and just click on the Save Changes. And just remember one thing, that preferences cannot be changed again. Here you have languages. You can select the language that you want. You can change the password. You can upload your signature. And you have the terms and conditions. Nextly we have, when we come back to the dashboard, here you have invoice, receipt, payment, refund, PLB and incentive, journal, contra, expenditure and other transactions. Next we have master, which you can add on in the ledger. You can create the supplier, customer, agent, accounts. Every details can be uploaded here in the ledger. You have any services that you are providing, you can add on here the services. You can add the airline services, expenditures of your agency, users, roles and the user permission. In the HR you have salary. Here in the reports you can have the reports of receivables, payables, walk-in, airline wise, tax, profit and the expenditure. All kinds of reports will be available here. Next we come, here you can create the invoice, click on add, you can select the branch, the customer, you need to select the customer, supplier whom you are creating the bill against the bill, you need to enter them and just click on the customer's name, select the star and just click on next. If it is a walk-in customer, we need to enter the mobile number and the name. If it is a customer, just click on the customer. You can add it up here. If the customer is not added here, you can just click on the add new customer and enter them. You select the star, click on next. You need to enter the ticket number. You can enter it here. Select the service type, sector, ticket number. Ticket number indicates a flight's number. And the ticket PNR number, the passenger's name, mobile number. You can select the supplier here, enter the buying price here, and the selling price, and the taxable margin is the profit of yours. Okay, if you need, you can add your GST here, and just click on Save Changes. Automatically the service will be added here. Here you can add unlimited services. There is no limit. You can do the mode of payment here also. If it is a walk-in customer, you need to do the payment here itself. Until you select the payment mode, you cannot submit it. After creating this, that invoice will be reflected here. When you click on the print, you can take the print out. You can do it through PDF, or you can even share it through WhatsApp. Then comes the receipt. Click on add receipt. Select the You are selecting the bill to. When you enter the customer's name, you will get how many invoices are pending that the customer has to pay. If the customer is giving you the advance payment, just enter the amount. Just select the mode and just click on submit. This will be reflected as advance receipt. This you can settle it. Match the data and settle that invoice. Next we have payment. If you need to do the payment to the customer, supplier or whomever it is, you can just click on supplier, select the supplier. Automatically that would be reflected here. Need to enter the amount here and select the mode of payment and just click on submit. Automatically it will be entered into the payment list. It will be reflected here. Then comes the refund. If the cancellation or if anything is there, you just need to enter the branch here. Invoice number. Just search. Then you need to enter the search reference number, the invoice amount. It will be reflected. The amount will be reflected here. Refund from supplier. If the supplier is paying you, you are getting the refund from the supplier and the amount that should be entered here. If there is any cutting on this refund from supplier, you can enter it here. If there is nothing, you need to enter it 0 and just click on submit. You can add it to the refund list. Here you have journal. Here you can do through from account to account, from one customer's account to staff expenditure, whatever it is, you can enter it here. It will be reflected in the list. Then is contra. Contra means from cash to bank or the bank to cash transactions can be entered here. Then it is the expenditure. The expenditure that is done from your side, that can be added here. And reconcile. Here in the match section, you click on match, select the branch, type if it is advance receipt, it is selected advance receipt. It is refund, just click on refund and enter it. You can find the refund number here, get the total details of it. You can select it and you can just do submit. Okay. Here you can find the ledger and the reports. You can find each and every. If you want all the customers' ledger report, you can select all. If you want a particular customer, you need to select the particular customer and you search. You find the whole complete customer statement here. Then comes the sales. To select the branch from date to date, you can select it here. The whole days, the whole 1 day's transaction and details can be found here. Then it is aging. In aging, you can find how many customers are pending to pay. Every detail will be here. Then is the profit and loss, then comes the trial balance, then the balance sheet. And this is the staff productivity, so that you can see what the staff has done in the whole month or the whole week. This is a complete demo of our accounting software. For more information, you can contact our executive.